Welcome back in. So high winds blowing back into Southern California could threaten progress made by fire crews.
Yeah, really tough to see here. The two largest wildfires are both still less than 40% contained. And we are now 1 week into the nonstop battle to fight those flames.
Maribel Gonzalez brings us more from Altadena as fire officials laid out their plan of attack going forward.
Everybody here urges you to remain alert as danger has not yet passed.
This as fire crews have gained a foothold on the multiple fronts Tuesday. As of midday, the Hearst fire was at 97% contained, the Eaton at 35%, and the Palisades at 17%. A fourth ignition, the Auto fire, started near Ventura Monday night. At last check, it had burned over 50 acres as fire crews worked to contain it.
We have approximately 88,000 residents that are still under evacuation orders.
Two other critical issues, power outages and water access in the Eaton fire area.
The necessary public safety power shutoffs are going to prevent our next fire from starting if we have down power lines. Additionally, we have checked the water system in the Eaton fire area and it is operational.
There was slightly hopeful news today from search and rescue efforts in burn zones.
The good news was that no other remains were found yesterday.
And talks of reopening neighborhoods to residents are moving forward slowly.
Repopulation conversations are absolutely active and ongoing. I don't want people to start thinking everything's okay now. Everything's not okay yet.
It's that yet that firefighters are battling to get closer to today.
Firefighters will continue to work tirelessly throughout the day to increase containment lines, prevent further spread, and address any flare-ups.
In Altadena, I'm Maribel Gonzalez reporting.